The founder of LangChain, Harrison Chase, noticed a bunch of common patterns among his friends who were building language model applications. So he thought, why not create something to streamline this process? LangChain is pretty cool because it provides individual components and standard interfaces for various language model applications, making it easier to switch between different models like OpenAI and Hugging Face. The beauty of LangChain lies in its modular approach. It treats components like Lego blocks, allowing developers to build complex chains for specific tasks. And when things get tricky, there are agents in LangChain to help in decision making, especially in handling errors or complex scenarios. So basically, LangChain framework involves three core things: components, chains, and agents. Components are modular building blocks that are ready and easy to use to build powerful applications. Components include LLM wrappers, prompt template, and indexes for relevant information retrieval. Chains allow us to combine multiple components together to solve a specific task. Chains make it easy for the implementation of complex applications by making it more modular and simple to debug and maintain. Agents allow LLMs to interact with their environment. For example, using an external API to perform a specific action. LangChain is built to develop apps powered by language model functionality. There are different ways to do this, but the process typically entails some key steps listed here. An application developer must first define a use case for the application. This also means determining its scope, including requirements such as any needed integrations, components, and LLMs. Developers use prompt to build the functionality or logic of the intended app. LangChain lets developers to modify its code to create customized functionality that meets the needs of the use case and shapes the application's behavior. It is important to choose the appropriate LLM for the job and also to fine-tune it to adhere to the needs of the use case. Data cleansing techniques ensures clean and accurate data sets. Also, security measures should be implemented to protect sensitive data. Last but not the least, regularly test LangChain apps to ensure they continue to run smoothly. Now, let me demonstrate configuring and utilizing the LangChain library to interact with OpenAI's GPT model. Installation of LangChain is very simple and similar to how you install other libraries using the pip command. We start by importing the OS module to interact with the operating system. Then we set the OpenAI's API key environment variable to authenticate with the OpenAI's API. This is followed by importing the OpenAI class from langchain.llm. Then we create an instance LLM of the OpenAI class with a temperature setting of 0.9, which influences the randomness of the output. We then call the predict method on LLM with a prompt about learning languages to get a response from the GPT model. The response is printed to the console.